Hi, my name is Marcus Schmidt. I'm with West Corporation, and welcome to Whiteboard Fridays. Today we're going to talk about an exciting new thing that Cisco has just recently announced called Broad Cloud, or it's basically part of an acquisition Cisco made of BroadSoft, and they took the cloud services from BroadSoft and put them into Cisco. Now they're calling it WebEx Cloud Calling. And really what we're excited about is that's where Cisco is going to bring the best of what they do, which is call control in the Cisco cloud, and bring it together with the best of what West does, which is all of our voice services and our PSTN services. And I just wanted to kind of compare and contrast a couple different approaches here. With the Cisco plus West solution, you're basically looking at one integrated offer to the business that wants to purchase this. So there's one contract, there's one bill, there's one support experience. It's just one unified thing when this business wants to go ahead and consume a combined offer. We call that VoiceMaxx Cloud Calling, and we'll have other videos that describe a little bit more about that later. But that's one approach. Now there's another approach that Cisco is bringing this product to market through, and that's through a different, basically a VAR, not someone integrated like West. So in this case, this business down here would contract through a VAR to purchase the call control part from Cisco, but then they'd still use their existing telecommunications provider that they might have, and it makes it a little more complicated. You have to have something called a local voice gateway, a little box basically on-prem at the business, and that local voice gateway is what connects out to the other telecommunications provider. So it'd be your local carrier. You know, it could be CenturyLink, could be your local cable company. Now the problem with this is you'll get a similar kind of solution, but you have two different places to go, or actually three different places to go. If you have a problem as the business on the bottom, do you go and talk to the VAR when you have issues? Do you go and talk to Cisco when you have issues? Or do you go and talk to your local telecommunications issue or telecommunications provider when you have issues? That can be a little challenging when you're a small to mid-sized business. How do you sort out who you're going to call when something's not working? With our approach at the top, we're that one-stop shop. You call us if you have issues. We're the one place you're going to get your contracts. We're the one place you're going to get your support. Everything happens from West, so we subsume all of the Cisco capabilities inside the overall offering. So we're excited about it. We're excited about our approach to that business. And if you have questions about how you can get started with what we call VoiceMaxx Cloud Calling, feel free to let us know.